This is how you're going to add a button action guide in Glide. So first, we're going to make sure that we are logged in or signed up to an account. And then from here, we're just going to choose the app that we want to add a button to. So for sure, you already know how to do that. And then from your editor, you're just going to head over to this left side panel right here, and then you're going to head to components. Now from the components, you'll be able to see this plus icon. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on plus, and then from here, we're just going to scroll down until you find this actions section, and then from here you can just click on button right here. So once you click on button, it will already appear right here at the bottom. Now in order for us to edit this, we're just going to click on it, and then from there you will be able to see this right side panel where we can edit everything that is in this button. Now we can choose a style, like for example, you want a minimal button without any background, or a basic one. You can also add titles right here. And then for this one, I'm just going to choose basic so that it would be more visible to our audience. And then here you have your options. So for your width, you can choose auto, or you can also choose wide. So this auto depends on what they're using or what device they're using, so it adjusts. For the wide, it takes up the whole screen, as you can see. Now for the accent, you can choose to turn it off or to turn it on. As you can see, the background disappears with it off, but this one looks better for me, so I'm just going to turn that on. And then for labels, you can choose to show it or you can choose to hide it. So when you hide it, the symbols only appear and then the labels are gone. But I choose to show this just to show our audience some clarity, or our users. And then after that, after we choose several styles, we can then choose some icon or actions. We're just going to click on this action right here. So for example, we want to add a title. So what is this title? So this is basically what our audience can see. So for example, when you sign up to this, we can see the button login, right? So this is basically the login title. So for this one, I'm just going to I'm going to name this go to page, just to make it clear to our audience or our users. And then from there, you can choose an icon depending on what you want. So for example, we are going to hit I'm just going to choose something from here. I'm going to choose this one. And then after that, we can choose the action right here. So I'm going to click on, or you can just hover your mouse over all of these options. We can choose interaction, and then we can choose go to tab. And then from there, you can we can select if you want this to be under items or categories, and then we can also add conditions right here. So this one is visibility is not a security feature and should not be used to hide private features or sensitive information. We're just going to hit on OK. And then this one is basically it's a condition. It's like an exception to the rule. And then if you want another action, you can add another action right here. So for example, this is the sign up or the login page that we can usually see from our login pages whenever we sign up to an account or we sign in. So this one gives you another option, not just this go to page. We can just choose this. For example, we want to name this go back. And then that's how it's going to appear. And that's it. That is how you're going to add a button action in Glide. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.